Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we're over here at Auto Mafia, and we're checking out some cool stuff, guys. Cool stuff. He's got a big ass dog, but Kaleb's coming out with some sweet turbo kits for the 3.7, and he's planning on also getting into the Coyote world. But guys, these kits are nice. I mean, stupid nice. Way nicer than my kit. Just build quality, guys. And I mean, I wasn't even trying to make a video today, but I said, people got to see this. This is just too good. So let's go out here. I want to show you guys some of the stuff he's coming up with for the 3.7, and it's just really cool, guys. You have to actually appreciate how good these things are coming out, because this is straight up billet stuff, you know, 304 stainless, just good stuff. And he's making these kits stupid easy to install. Anybody with this much mechanical skill should be able to install this. You don't need to be a professional mechanic. You don't need to know everything about cars. Pretty simple. These cars are actually really simple to work on if you have a little bit of knowledge. So let's go out here. I want to show you guys what he's doing with the 3.7, guys, because it's really freaking badass. So let me show you guys. This is basically the header flange. Look how freaking nice this is, guys. Look how nice it is. This is all 304 stainless. I mean, dude, sweet stuff, man. Great stuff, dude. I mean, it's awesome. Look at this. This is a turbo flange. Come on, guys. I wish mine looked like this. Mine's not even close to this.
CNC stainless steel.
Look at that.
Good stuff.
It's awesome. Man, he's making it all in-house. So, what Kaleb is doing with the 3.7s, nobody else is doing yet. I don't know. Yet people still give you crap. I don't get it. But it's what it is. There's always gonna be haters in the world.
Always. Here we get a reference. So this is your typical flange that everybody in the world will use, okay? It's already starting to rust. It's made out of steel, shouldn't rust it super fast, but look, it's already rusting. This is stainless steel, definitely stronger. You notice the ports aren't oval, so our piping doesn't ever get pinched. We actually change it from this port on the back side to a 2-inch out. So we have 2-inch primaries in our turbo kit.
That's crazy. Come on, guys. This is awesome stuff. I mean, the kit's awesome. Let me show you guys the kit. This is the S550 kit he's doing right now, and this is the first one, right?
Yeah.
This is the first S550 kit that I guess that he's doing with his in-house turbo kit. And guys, this thing is stupid clean and crazy easy to install. It's all V-bands. V-band here, V-band there. I mean,
The kit has 5 V-bands.
I mean, you don't need to be a mechanic to install this. Anybody can install this. It's crazy. What size of the turbos is this using?
67, 66.
It's a good size turbo.
Yep.
They shouldn't have no problem pushing this. So, and guys, the first video with the S197, what did it do? 670, right?
670.
670, like full send.
No nitrous.
Yeah. So,
14 to 15 pounds of boost on E85.
that's crazy, man.
670.
That is crazy. 670 is stock 3.7.
Yeah, you can see the one of the wiring kits that we included with the kit as well. This is the wiring harness that we make, and it comes with the kit to wire up the oil pump.
Look at that.
Because with our kits, you don't have to tap the pan.
Yeah, he provides the oil pump to basically to return the oil. I run similar pump in my car, and it's just a clean, simple. And he made it simple. That's probably the most awesome part about this thing, that anybody could do this. Just put it on and go make 600 horsepower. It'll be fun. So it's crazy how I ain't gonna lie, I kind of want one. I kind of do, man, because it's just so simple, man.
Our draft did look pretty similar, if not a little easier than yours.
Yeah. Oh, I bet. This is nice. Just nice. The owner of this car is gonna love it. I guarantee you're gonna love that setup. And here's the S197 kit for the 3.7. This is just a clean car. This car looks nice. And this one's almost done, he said. But
finishing the exhaust.
Yeah. So you can see it's all wrapped. Just clean, guys. And you say you provide the turbo blanket, you provide...
Yeah, everything. Everything here is in the standard kit. The only thing that's upgraded in this kit is he has the FIC 1000 fuel injectors so that he can make over 450 horsepower.
Okay.
The injectors that come with the kit are the 52-pound Ford Racing injectors, and they're good to about 450 horsepower on E85. But to make more than that, we go with the FIC, the FIC 1000s, because we have ran those on probably 50 cars that all make over 500 horsepower. But otherwise, everything in here is included, actually, except for the
catch can.
The catch can. The catch can is extra.
Even the boost gauge, right? You include the boost gauge.
Yeah, boost gauge is included.
Look at that. He even includes that. I don't think no kits include that. So it's amazing what he's doing. You guys need to support Auto Mafia because they're basically the only companies out there supporting this engine stuff, and like hardcore supporting when it comes to making parts and tuning. So I'm so glad I went with him. You know, it's awesome, guys. And he's got plenty of projects here. Super busy. Hey, that car's for sale, right? That's
Both
great.
for sale.
Yeah, that's
I'm
great.
keeping whichever one doesn't sell first.
Them race cars, like real deal race cars. But it's awesome how fast you've been growing. Every time I come here, it's like more. It's like you got more stuff, and you keep growing. Like, I mean, I started coming here maybe a year and a half ago, and it's like, man, more. It's awesome. Keep doing it, and you got Coyote kits coming too, right?
Yeah, we got Coyote twin kits coming.
Look at that, guys. And if it's anything close to what these look like on the 3.7s, I mean, it's a no-brainer. So it's awesome. And he's got one more I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to go outside and show you because I'm sure some of you guys have seen it, but it's pretty cool. You guys should check it out. I know the owner, Josh. I'm gonna pop your hood. This is something else that he's doing, which well, let me get it. All right, guys. So this is something else he's doing. He's doing Barra swaps into Mustangs. And this is actually a GT car. And it's just got the engine so far just mounted in. But actually fits pretty damn well, guys. Look at that. It fits in there pretty good. He still needs to do he's got the turbo manifold to put the turbo on it. And these engines are stupid good. And they make crazy power. The bottom ends on these engines are ridiculously good. They hold, I think, stock bottom ends, I think, will hold like 1,200 horsepower. So this is cool enough. I think you're the only one, right?
These are stupid heavy.
Yeah, I know. Believe me, I know.
These hoods are dumb heavy, man.
You're the only one technically. I know Adam LZ did one to his car, but you're the only
Adam
one.
did it. This is the second one that we know of.
Okay.
For the S550 that's been at least. I mean, it's nowhere near done. We're waiting on the customer. Lost his job, right, or something like that. COVID sucks for everybody. But yeah, this is going to be the basically second one done in the United States that we know of. I know one was test fitted in Australia, but I haven't seen another one. The only one running that we know of is Adam's. So this hopefully will be the second. But we're probably going to get a couple of our other projects done first, which will be like our 56 F100 that's getting a Barra in it.
That's cool.
Because our engines finally got here, our next ones with transmissions. So we're going to do probably a manual transmission and that with a little turbo Barra, about 500 horse. It'll be fun.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
F100. Yeah. Fast enough to run 10.5s because it'll weigh nothing.
I bet.
That's the whole.
Oh man, this is just cool. It's just cool stuff the stuff that you're coming out with and developing, and just a lot of the stuff is just in house, and it's just cool.
Yeah, because we're making the full kit to swap these motors into an EcoBoost, a GT, or a V6, and that's going to include everything from the motor mounts to an actual turbo kit for these cars for this motor.
Damn.
So it'll be the correct downpipe, the correct exhaust manifold for it, all the piping to go to a front mount intercooler, everything.
That's badass. And these engines are so. What I think they hold what, like the stock bottom ends of these seats hold like 1,000 horsepower.
No,
right?
so the full stock bottom end, including rods and pistons, is only good to about 450, 500
really?
if you push it. However, you replace the rods and pistons, you can make about 1,000.
So the power.
all you gotta do.
What's the block is what can hold the power then,
The
right?
block itself has been upwards of 2,000 wheel.
Oh, that's what I understood.
Without
then.
any change, they don't have to sleeve the block. You don't do any of that stuff. You don't have to change it and put in a semi-closed deck like you do the EcoBoost. 100%, this block and head can make 2,000 horsepower. We just put bigger head studs in it. We do an oil pump gear because it's Ford motor.
Yeah.
You know, and then we put new rods and pistons in. The crank's good to about 1,000 horsepower. After that, just for reliability's sake, you want to go with a billet one if you're going to make about over 1,200, they say. And obviously we do a billet intake for it. This is the stock naturally aspirated intake. It'll probably still do about 400, 500 horse on this intake. It's just better for us to go ahead and do the other one, right? But yeah, it'll be pretty. This guy is gonna make 1,500 wheel horsepower.
Damn.
So that's why it's taking a while, because it's not a cheap build.
Josh, with bags, you gotta do something about that 1,500.
It's gonna be a dyno queen. It's gonna show up, look amazing, because we haven't done anything, right? This whole motor's gonna get built. So it'll all come back, it'll all be painted, powder coated, it's gonna look super sexy.
I mean, it fits good in there.
Yeah, and it's like it's tight on the back right now, but that's because there's no transmission, so it's actually sitting back onto the firewall.
Okay.
It'll be tilted back up a bit, and the top will be about here, right under this. But yeah, they fit basically perfectly.
Yeah, they fit good.
We might adjust our mount slightly to bring it forward, maybe another ½ inch, but you can see there's still plenty of room up front even.
This is I don't know.
This is gonna
keep
be
doing it, man.
AC
Keep doing it.
car, heat, power steering, everything's still gonna have it.
And are you gonna be able to tune it through the Ford ECU? Or you gotta go standalone.
So we can do both. So we're obviously a Haltech dealer. There is a full Haltech. This one's gonna be on Haltech for that much power. A Haltech 2500 Elite. And like I said, we do have those, and they have a complete wiring harness for it. So it's literally plug and play and go, which is what we recommend because it's just the easiest. But we also, if you're gonna be on lower horsepower, I'm gonna say probably under the 800 horsepower mark, so around the 750 to 500 or less. We actually have a stock ECU with a wiring harness that's been adapted to work as a standalone. We have those in stock. The ECUs are unlocked for manual transmissions and ready to be tuned with HP tuners.
Oh, wow. He's got it set up. So if you guys, anybody looking for a Barra swap, you got to hit up Auto Mafia. I mean, this is awesome. Keep doing what you're doing, Kaleb, because this is so good. So good.
Will do.
So good. I'm so glad I came out here today. I wasn't expecting all this. All right, guys. So had to get out of there. Kaleb was busy. It is a place of business, and we got everything I needed to get sorted for my car. I just came out there for we could update the tune for the issues with the misfire when I'm using the watt box for the two-step. So we got that pretty much sorted, and we might have added a little more timing to the tune. Maybe not. I don't know. Guess we'll see. And I just wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that's going on, man. You gotta understand, it's the 3.7 is a dead platform, man. He's still out there trying to do stuff and trying to make it better and trying to give guys options, you know, what they could do with this engine that's so good. This engine is just so good. So I just figured let me show you guys just all the cool stuff that he's making in-house, and just that turbo kit is badass. I mean, honestly, it's even made me think about shit, just sell my kit and maybe get one of those, because it looks like a lot simpler to deal with than my kit. But my kit's done pretty well, honestly, and I already got it sorted enough where I know how to work on it. I know how to find any issues, and I already know the kit. I don't want to feel like I'm having to learn another kit. So that's it, guys. I figured make a quick fun video of all the cool stuff that's going on over there at Auto Mafia. And if you guys have any questions, hit me up. Hit up Auto Mafia, their Instagram, their email. I'll put up all their information in the description. And if you have a 3.7, you got a 5.0, you got anything. They tune pretty much. They're tuning GMs, they're tuning Coyotes, whatever. EcoBoost. I think that they have a thing with PD tuning where they do remote tuning right there. So anything you guys need, any parts you need, just hit them up, and they'll get you right. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, and we'll check you guys out next time. Y'all take care now.